Happy good day and welcome to Lesson 3, Reading a Pattern in the Stitching Serenity course. This lesson will unlock the secrets of reading a crochet pattern. A pattern is like a roadmap that guides you to create beautiful projects. Understanding it is a vital skill for any crocheter. Let's break down the sections in a crochet pattern. The first section is the skill level. This part tells you what level of expertise is required to complete the project successfully. Patterns typically categorize skill levels into 4 distinct categories. Number 1, basic, for beginners with fundamental stitches and minimal shaping. Number 2, easy, building on basic stitches with simple variations. Number 3, intermediate, involving a range of stitches with mid-level shaping. Number 4, complex, advanced featuring intricate variations and techniques. This skill level designation helps you choose patterns that match your proficiency level, ensuring a successful outcome. Next, we have stitches and abbreviations. This section explains the stitches and abbreviations used in the pattern. Some patterns may not list these explicitly, so you must review the pattern to identify and understand them. For instance, in this beginner level scarf pattern, you'll need to know how to single crochet, abbreviate it as SC, and create a chain stitch, abbreviated as CH. The stitches in American and British crochet terminology vary, so it's essential to ensure you're using the appropriate stitches and familiar with their respective abbreviations. We have the finished size and gauge section. This part tells you the dimensions of the finished item and, if applicable, various sizes, especially for garments. To ensure your project matches the specified size, create a gauge swatch. The gauge swatch helps determine if your stitches are the correct size. Adjust your crochet hook size if needed to match the recommended gauge. Now let's explore the materials section. This part lists essential items needed for the project. You'll find details about the yarn, crochet hook, and any required tools or supplies. Using the recommended yarn to ensure the accuracy of your project is crucial. If substituting, match the weight of the yarn. Next, we have the notes section. This part provides important information and special notes to help you work on the pattern successfully. Notes can include pattern terms, extra instructions, tips, and more to enhance your crochet experience. And finally, the pattern. This is where the magic happens. It contains the step-by-step instructions to create your project. Parentheses indicate the number of stitches to be worked in a row. The pattern concludes with directions on finishing your project, including weaving in ends and other finishing techniques. You've learned how to navigate a crochet pattern like a pro. Understanding the skill level, stitches, gauge, materials, notes, and the pattern itself is key to crocheting confidently. Now it's time to put your newfound knowledge to the test. Engage in the Lesson 3 discussion question, tackle the Lesson 3 word wall activities, and take the Lesson 3 quiz. Then move on to Lesson 4, crocheting a scarf.